Welcome to the Online Course Design Institute. This full-length course has 8 learning modules which are listed in the table of contents. In our campus-based courses, we do the modules in the following order: OCDI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Many participants appreciated learning from Module 4, Learning Activities, and Module 7, Student Assessment, as they were working on Module 2, Integrating Course Design. Obviously, you can choose the module order that best fits your needs. Topics in this course: OCDI 1, Preparing for your course design. OCDI 2, Integrating your course design. OCDI 3, Communicating in your course. OCDI 4, Creating a learning framework/developing learning activities and techniques. OCDI 5, Making your course accessible. OCDI 6, Integrating learning technologies. OCDI 7, Assessing student learning, assessing course quality, assessing your program and institution. OCDI 8, Reflecting on your teaching, learning how to learn.